without further ado, Okay, so I have a fresh face. I moisturize with my Urban Skincare, and now I put primer on. We're going to get started with the eyebrows. So I do my eyebrows basically different each and every time. If you dolls want to know how I use or which products I use and how I do it, just give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. But this is just going to give you a little bit of insight. I like to draw on my eyebrows with the pomade, which is by Beverly Hills Anastasia. Then we have this brow pencil, which actually I got from the hair supply store, so don't be afraid to shop with beauty supply stores. But I know it looks really weird, as you can see, but it all works out. This has been my go-to method lately because it's really fast and it comes out looking really nice, natural, and yeah. So anyways, I'm going to clean up my eyebrows using some concealer. I'm going to go ahead and put all of the products down below in the box. I'm running through this Get Ready With Me kind of fast because this is some of the same stuff that I always do. But if you would like a full in-depth Getting Ready With Me or how to beat your face or whatever, just let me know. I do plan to do more makeup videos this year as requested, so stay tuned. But anyways, I am now using the Fenty foundation. I actually use color 380 on the bottom parts of my face, and then I also use color 370 towards the middle of my face, and I don't even use the foundation absolutely all around. I just kind of put it in where I have a little bit of discoloration. The reason I use this is because I like the matte finish, because I am somewhat combination dry. Well, actually combination oily skin. I just get more oily as the day goes on. But as you can see, I'm actually putting it everywhere. I didn't even bother using eyeshadow base or anything. This is a really fast beat. This is the day I unboxed my YouTube reward. I was so happy to do that with you dolls, but I just wanted to show you the makeup because I actually got a lot of requests and I had a lot of questions about my makeup from that day, so I decided to go ahead and put everything together. So I got my foundation on, did my eyebrows. Now I'm using this Naked palette, my absolute favorite. I'm using the color Sauced, and I'm just going to go ahead and work that into my eyeshadow crease, like my eye crease, I guess. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. Again, if you want to see slower videos where I actually talk about the products and the reasons I love them, give me a comment, go ahead and like, share this video with a friend. But yeah, this part I decided to record. I never record this because honestly it comes out different every time. I'm just using some NYX liquid eyeliner. I like to do the tail on the outside of my eye first, and then this look I wanted to give more of a cat eye. As you can see, I started towards the beginning, like the corner of my eye. So the trick for me is do those lines first and then go ahead and go across your eyelid with, you know, staying as close as possible to your lash line. And then once you get that basic line drawn on, you can kind of connect each point. So I'm just going to do this for you. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect. Y'all, this is actually really hard, but I'm happy that I was able to record it and show you. So now I got that top line, I just kind of go in and fill in the lines. This is what we learned in kindergarten, y'all. You got to stay in the lines, and there you have it. This is your winged cat eye with liquid liner. Don't worry, I don't get it perfect every time, but I'm glad it came out pretty well for this video. Ooh. Okay, let's go ahead and move on. So I went ahead and did the other eye off camera, came back. I'm showing the concealers that I use. I really do love the Fenty line, again, because I am somewhat oily and I like how matte this is. I'm not sure of these colors. I'll go ahead and find them and put them down below in the description box, but I either use this or I'll also use the MAC Pro Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and use the darker color, which again, I'll put the colors down below, but this is going to be for my contour. So this beat altogether honestly took me about 20 minutes. So I know this video is like 12 minutes long, but I definitely wanted to share that you can get a really put together look without spending forever on your face, which I'm proud of, because if anyone who knows me, I tend to take a little bit of time or whatever doing my makeup. So now I'm just going ahead and using this brush. I'll put the brush details down below as well, but I want to say this set is Sonia Kashuk, and these came from Target. So if you don't want to spend a lot of money on brushes, because brushes can be anywhere from 30 bucks to 50 bucks per brush, I definitely recommend for you to check out Target. They always have sales. This is another set from Sonia Kashuk and also from Target. And I'm just putting a little bit of powder under my eyes to set. Again, really fast makeup. Didn't want to do the whole baking process, but this is the Ben Nye eye powder. And now I'm using the Beverly Hills of Anastasia. I'm using their contour kit. I didn't want to do too much. So I find that if you use like a, I guess like a muted color, I guess this is more or less, I don't know how you would call it. I guess it's like also a matte brown, but I prefer to use lighter colors instead of going really dark. I use dark contour when I go out. This is just for kind of day wear, so I'm using like a more medium brown and I kind of work it in. Ooh, now these are my lashes. These ones are in Finesse. These are from my lash line. I absolutely love these because they're double layers of perfection. As you can see, it has like that curve on the top and then it has the wispy feel to it. So I'm gonna put those on. I just wanted to show you the lashes I chose for today. Of course, I like to kind of line my lower lash line with white. I think it really helps your eyes pop and it gives somewhat a, I don't know, a bit of glam to any simple feet. So I actually have the glue drying. I just use the duo glue. I'm letting that dry right now on my lashes, and I'm using this magenta lip liner, and this is from MAC. I wanted to go for a bright lip today, but nothing too in your face. So I'm gonna go with a matte lipstick. The lipstick I'm gonna use is also from MAC, but it's through the Rihanna collection when she partnered with them. This is called RIRI Boy, and it's like a matte purple. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on. Now if you're looking for this color and you can't find it because it was limited, you can possibly find this also in Girl About Town. That's the most similar color, although Girl About Town is not matte. So I will list everything down below for you. Now this is my favorite part. This is the highlighter. So this again is the Beverly Hills Anastasia. Clearly I'm gonna have to send them a letter because I use a lot of their products. Between Rihanna's brand and this brand, I actually love it because this is really pigmented and you don't have to use a whole lot. Alright, so the makeup is done. I sprayed my face. I'm kind of letting it set, and now I am doing my hair. So I am wearing 2.5 bundles of my luxury hairline. This is raw Indian hair from my Caviar Life collection, and I have it sewn in. So I have a little bit of hair as far as my leave out on top. I'm just going to go ahead and use the flat iron. The flat iron, I actually love this collection. I get all my flat iron and hot tools from Sally's. So I have it set to like 360, and I'm just kind of putting some curls just so that the bottom of my hair is kind of bumped. Now this hair again is actually Indian hair, like straight from 2 donors as far as how I had the 2 bundles. But long story short, you want to be careful with how much heat you put on your hair. So off camera I did use a heat protectant from Rucker Roots, and I'll put my discount code down below for all the people I have partnerships with. That way, if you dolls wanted to shop any of these things I'm mentioning, you will get a discount. I love being a resource for you dolls, so yeah, definitely check out my previous videos. That way you can get discounts on basically any and everything that you see me wear or use. And did y'all notice how my makeup pops now because of my lashes? Yes. So basically this is it, y'all. This is basically my final look. I'm gonna go ahead and use some edge control just to kind of clean up my edges. I'm using this stick. This is just to kind of keep my flyaways down. And that's it. Now, be sure that you subscribe to this channel as well as my fitness and my blog channels. I'll put those details down below. And of course, be sure that you follow your girl on Instagram and on Snapchat, and my name is at Chrissy the Doll. But yes, girl, get into it. I'm absolutely loving how natural this hair looks. I'm loving how light the makeup is, and yeah. Last thing is the top. I got this top from FemLux. Absolutely love it. New company. I have not done a haul on my channel. If you want to see that, let me know. But yeah, this is just a few clips of me opening my box. For those who like really believe in their brand and really want to make a difference, like I feel my life purpose is to make a difference, is to help people, not just people. I've narrowed it down, y'all. I went women. I love my Diva Dons, don't get me wrong, but listen, I am a woman, so I feel super connected to women, to feel good about themselves, to feel empowered, to understand that taking care of how you look directly connects to how you feel. Hence the reason why I have a hair company, eyelash company. Like, this is the reason why I do these things. It all matters, okay? Like, when I feel like $1,000,000, I do well. When I do well, I accomplish things that are above average, and then when I get to that level, I feel unstoppable. I want y'all to feel like I feel right now, okay? So without further ado, I'm opening the box. Ah! I'm so excited, y'all. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Y'all, I'm so fucking excited.